Carol Peters?
I'm very blessed to be working for one of the greatest comedy actors of our generation. And all of it's by chance. You know, I was writing punch-up jokes kind of on set as an assistant to the producers and making them laugh. And she found out I was writing jokes and came to me on the last day of shooting and was like, I heard you've been writing jokes every day for me, but no one's telling me that. And I was like, yeah, you know, it's just kind of messing around. She's like, give me your best joke. So I went and I pulled a joke and I gave it to her, and she went in the scene and did it. And then she was like, all right, you're gonna move to LA, you're gonna write for me now. I'm Mac Alsfeld. I graduated LSU in 2010. I live in Los Angeles, and I'm a comedy punch-up writer for Melissa McCarthy. So what I do is I go on set with Melissa McCarthy or some of the other actors, and I will sit behind the monitors and I'll just write jokes all day. Seeing like whatever she's doing in the scene, I'll throw something else she could say. It's all spur of the moment, it's all full improv. So you write it on a sticky note, you put it on the monitor. The director can throw it to the actor, or he just crumples it up and throws it at you. We're there to provide other humor, other jokes that can really punch up the scene and make it a lot funnier. My family has deep roots in Louisiana. My grandma was a politician. She was a city council member in New Orleans for 25 years. And my grandfather was a school administrator in the School of Medicine here. So yeah, this is LSU's our home. My aunt is Patricia Clarkson. She's a wonderful actress. I think I've probably gotten some of the interest in the industry from her. And growing up seeing somebody who does really well in the industry, it makes it not this intangible goal. It's not that far-fetched. It's not that wild of a dream. So I worked for Kevin Costner for about 4 years. I was his assistant, writing for Melissa McCarthy. She gives me and the other couple punch-up writers a role in all of her films. So I've acted in, I think, 6 films. I think the ultimate goal for me is keep writing, and I've made 2 features. My second one is coming out. We're gonna start premiering at film festivals in November. So seeing where that takes us. My best friends that I still write with, we made 2 films with, all I met here at LSU. Some of the crew members that we've used or worked with were all at LSU. You know, I live in California, so when you're interacting with people out there, it's nice to have an immediate bond with somebody that went to LSU or is from Louisiana, and I think that's very important. So what I would tell current LSU students or future LSU students is that the tools are here to make whatever you want of your career and to really explore yourself. There's great facilities and helpful teachers that can really advise you and push you and make of it whatever you want.